Happy Wednesday, everybody. It's Real Life Wednesday. And today's topic is how to handle keto haters. And I want you to be able to respond with confidence. Hey, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, your quick dose of low-carb truth for real life challenges. If you've ever been judged for what's on your plate, raise your fork, because you're not alone. Maybe you heard things like, "You're not eating bread? Well, that can't be healthy. All that fat, it can't be good for you." Or my favorite, "Isn't keto just a fad?" Well, I think that's been established. That's not true. Here's the truth. A lot of people criticize what they don't understand, especially when it challenges their own habits. That's really the underlying rub. So how do you handle it? Strategy number 1, stay curious, not combative. Try saying, "That's a great question. What have you heard about it?" It's respectful, disarming, and it puts the ball back in their court. You're not defending, you're inviting conversation. Strategy number 2, know your why. You don't need a medical degree to share your story. Whether you've lost weight, reversed prediabetes, or just feel amazing, your results are real. So try this. All I know is I haven't felt this good in years. It's working for me. Strategy number 3, pick your battles. Not everyone deserves a seat at your dinner table or your mental table. Sometimes the best answer is a smile and a pivot. So this is your nudge. This isn't about winning debates. It's about reclaiming your health. You've made a decision rooted in science, experience, and self-respect. Let that conviction anchor you when others question your path. You don't owe anyone an explanation for choosing better. So if this sounds familiar, hit subscribe. I'm working on a longer video breaking down the most common low-carb criticisms and exactly how to respond with both science and grace. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and here's your reminder. You don't need approval to be empowered. Just keep showing up and let your results do the talking. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.